GM everyone. AI is rapidly becoming the interface to the internet, but blockchain execution still lacks something critical, and that's trust. Meet InjectOS, the AI native execution infrastructure built for Injective, a secure operating system where humans and AI collaborate to execute blockchain actions safely, transparently, and intelligently. Today, AI powered crypto tools are fragmented, opaque, and dangerous. Users approve transaction and don't fully understand. AI systems generate actions without explainability. Executions preview are unclear, and automations often removes human from critical financial decisions. In decentralized finance, one wrong approval can mean irreversible loss. InjectOS transition was built to solve the AI execution trust problem, not by creating another trading bot, not by building another DeFi dashboard, but by building something deeper, a secure execution layer for AI powered finance, an operating system where every blockchain actionable actions are understandable, verifiable, and human approved. Everything begins inside the InjectOS command center. The user simply types in natural language instructions, swap 50 USDT to ING safely, like something that. The AI intent engine immediately converts that prompt into a deterministic execution engine. Intent. Every actions becomes structured, auditable, and machine verifiable. Next, the AI transaction safety engine begins analysis. InjectOS analyze slippage risk, execution pathway, wallet approval, liquidity conditions, and transaction ambiguity. The system generates a completely safely report with confidence score, execution summaries, and human readable explanation. Before any transaction is signed, the user sees exactly what will happen. No hidden decision, no blind approvals, no black box automations. If you are about to swap 50 USDT to INJ, estimated output 0.2 injective, slippage 0.5%, risk level low, confidence score 96%. Only after explicit human approval, the transaction may moves to execution. InjectOS then monitors the transaction lifecycle in real time, intent passed, safely analyzed, preview ready, and awaiting approval, execution, and completed. Every step is transparent, every action is observable, and every execution is auditable. There are three core intelligence engines powers InjectOS. The AI intent engine transforms human language into deterministic blockchain execution. The AI transaction safely engine acts as a trust layer between AI reasoning and financial execution, verifying actions before signing every occur. And the system ecosystem intelligence engine monitors injective network conditions, execution environments, liquidity movements, and ecosystem activity in real time. Together, they create a safe operating environment for AI native finance. InjectOS is built specially for Injective. Injective provides a high performance infrastructure required for real time AI powered execution with EVM compatibility, low latency execution, Cosmos interoperability, and developers first architecture. InjectOS becomes the ideal foundation for intelligent financial systems. Smart contracts are directly deployed on Injective EVM testnet using Solidity. At InjectOS, security is not a failure, it's the foundation. Every execution includes human in the loop verification, deterministic previews, safety scoring, real time monitoring, and explainable AI reasoning because the future of finance cannot be blindly trust. It's made dependent on transparent execution. InjectOS, the AI native execution infrastructure for Injective, secure, explainable, human centered, built by Rohan Kumar Team Brotherhood for the Injective Solo AI Builder Sprint.